In this video, I will show you how to place text behind a moving object in After Effects. Start by making sure you have your clip in the timeline. As you can see, I have a clip of this guy walking in a forest. Let's remove the background first. Double-click on your video inside the timeline. This will open it into its own layer window. Now, go to the top toolbar and select the Roto Brush tool. If you see the Refine Edge tool instead, click and hold until the Roto Brush tool appears, then select it. Once you have the Roto Brush tool selected, zoom into the preview window by holding down the Control key and using your mouse scroll wheel. Now, just draw a line over your object. You will see After Effects automatically create a selection around it. It might not be perfect, so you need to make sure your whole object is selected properly. If the selection goes outside your object, hold down the Alt key. This will turn your brush red, and now you can erase parts you do not want. Once your object is properly selected, press the spacebar to play through the video. Watch carefully to make sure the selection stays clean the whole time. If you see any mistakes, fix them by adding or removing parts with the Roto brush. When you are happy with the selection, click the Freeze button. After Effects will lock the selection and process it across the clip. Once it is done, go back to the main composition window. You can now see that the background is removed. To make the cutout look even better, go to the Effect Controls panel. Here, you can adjust settings like Mask Feather to soften the edges and Shift Edge to push the selection in or out. Also, enable Decontaminate Edge colors to clean up any leftover background colors. Now to add the text, start by duplicating your video layer by pressing Ctrl+D. Once it is duplicated, select the bottom video layer and delete the Roto Brush effect from the Effect Controls panel. Next, go to the toolbar and select the Type tool. Click anywhere on the preview window and write your text. Make sure that the text layer is placed between the two video layers. Now, as you can see, the text is behind the moving object. You can position the text wherever you want and edit it however you like. And that is how you put text behind a moving object in After Effects.